We got this Trans Am, guys. See, it sounds a little rough. We're gonna fix it up. 87? 86. What size motor? 350? 350? Trans Am. Good looking wheels. Some classics. Here's the inside of it, guys. T-top car. They need to bring back T-tops. Do you agree, Juan?
I agree.
He agrees. Thank God he agrees. That's all we care about. If he agrees, I agree. Well, it sounds a little rough. This is what it sounds like before. Give it gas? Yeah. We gotta fix that. She needs to sound a lot better. She needs to sound like she looks. Beautiful. Stay tuned, guys. Here's sound decibels before, again. 91. Look at that. Look at all that cat tracks. Hey guys, 1986 Pontiac Trans Am with my guy inside of it already. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. You heard what it sounded like, all rattling and stuff. So all these were loose. And then when we try to tighten this one, the bolt broke. It's mid-length headers on it, on each side. So we tighten them up, put some lock washers on it so it doesn't loosen back out again. As you guys can see, we have to really tighten this one up. See that? Anyways, still got factory converter. I said, might as well do a video for you guys. So 2 1/4 pipe goes up over. And then it's got a Flowmaster 80 series right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then tailpipes on each side, dumped, which me and him were talking. We like it looking like that better. Where you don't see anything, it's just clean. Looks a lot cleaner than having tips on these because of the rounded bumpers. Let me know what you guys think. Should he have put tips on it or leave it alone like that? And tell me what you guys think of the sound after. All right, stay tuned. Sounds so much better. It was bad, how bad it was rattling. Much better. He's been a fan of ours for a while, guys. So we appreciate him bringing it in. Look, here's the sound decibels now. Go ahead. I told him bring it back, we'll change it, put a high flow cat on it for him too. Better. Go ahead and back it up. It does have a little mild cam. That muffler's, that cat is what's taking all that sound away from it. If you put a high flow cat or take it off or whatever you want to do, it'll change the sound completely of this car. You'll actually hear the Flowmaster.
It'll be a little bit louder, but not enough.
Yeah, do the cat swap. Sounds so much better. There you go. We just did that one. Let you guys hear on the inside.